Record revenues and earnings that were above expectations. Not enough to keep shares of AMD in the green this morning ahead of the bell, although they have been in the green plenty of days previously. With us now on those results and a CNBC exclusive is the company's CEO, Lisa Su. Lisa, always great to have you. You had a very strong quarter. You know, we're watching the stock perhaps go down a few percent. Let's start off on the data center, which is obviously a very important part of your end market. You're talking about no digestion there, is sort of how the analysts put it, at least. The strong CPU demand that you saw seems to be continuing throughout this year. Is that a correct assumption?
Yeah, good morning, David. Great to be with you guys again this morning. Thanks for having me. Look, I think overall, David, 2020 was really a fantastic year, sort of an inflection point for the company. We did revenue over $9.7 billion, which is actually a record in our 51-year history. When you look across the market segments that we're in, data centers, PCs, and gaming, we've seen robust demand across all of those segments. And, to your specific question on data center, we did see the data center strengthen as we went through the end of last year and going into 2021. We see very strong demand driven by, some of the trends that, we talk about all the time, the importance of the cloud and, all of the build out there and just, the strength of our product portfolio and our focus on the data center. So, yeah, we're excited about the prospects in the data center in 2021, as well as the other markets that we're in.
You have a number of new products as well coming this year, don't you, that are going to obviously be targeted towards that demand that you're talking about?
Yeah, absolutely. So, as we always talk, David, we're all about the products, and these products have been in development for many years, coming to market here in 2021. It is the best product portfolio, that we've had in the history of the company. Just at, CES a few weeks ago, we launched our new mobile products that are going into, high-end notebooks for gaming and commercial and, premium consumer SKUs. We're very excited about an upcoming launch for us of our new data center processor. So this is our third generation of data center processors that, again, take performance to the next level. And I think we all see that technology is just so important under this backdrop. So we're very excited about the new products.
Yeah, that backdrop, at least, is exactly what I wanted to talk to you about. There's a growing view that tech spending, because of the pandemic, went into sort of what they're now calling, I guess, defensive mode last year, where you're investing in remote work and things like that. And that'll switch to more offensive spending on things like data analytics in the year ahead. Does that make sense to you? How do you think the nature of tech spending, at least in your area, changes in 2021?
Yeah, Carl, I think that's a great point. I think one of the, the things that's really been, sort of the backdrop of the pandemic has shown is that, tech is so important. And so no question in 2020, the work from home, school from home trends, people actually had a different relationship and wanted more out of their technology. And so there was an upgrade cycle around that. I think as we go into 2021, I think many of those trends continue. And, really, it's about the modernization of the technology infrastructure. So I think people need the newest generation technology. I think, our goals are to, help our customers and partners through that transition. And, that's part of the reason we had a very strong outlook for 2021. Our 2021 looks like our outlook will grow 37%, which is, again, off of a very strong 2020, is because of those tech trends, as well as the strength in some of our new product launches.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.